Ang una kong ginagawa after washing my face is I really put this Garnier Vitamin C Micellar Water. Ito yung pinaka-first micellar water with vitamin C. Kaya, it really brightens your skin. Konti lang kasi wala naman tayong makeup na nilagay. So, it's just parang toner. Parang ginagawa ko na rin siyang toner everyday in one. So, this one. Next product that we're using is my favorite Garnier Vitamin C Serum. So, konti lang. Not so plenty dahil umaga pa lang. A little touch lang. Sa gabi na yung makapal. Maganda rin to ilagay mo before your makeup. Sobrang ganda. It's so nice. So there. Next is the light